Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jamie G back here again. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, my name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, pretty much all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me for the ride. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. What I'm covering today, however, is a tool from one of my favorite site builders called Builderall. I have mentioned it numerous times if you're unfamiliar with it. I am going to leave a link below to my playlist covering all the videos I have done on Builderall. But in short, it's a website builder, a funnel builder, a autoresponder, basically all digital marketing tools you can pretty much ever want, all built into one for a very cheap monthly cost. If you are interested, there is a link below. It's going to give you a 7-day trial, and I'm happy to give you some coaching and spend some time with you one-on-one to show you through the software, get you up and running, and explain how everything can work. More importantly, show you how the affiliate strategies can work to make money off Builderall itself. Anyway, that's the offer. I'll leave it with you. What I'm going through today is another one of their awesome tools, which has to do with Facebook chatbots. So all we need to do is just refer to the apps button over here on the main page. And if we click on the Facebook chatbot button, what it's going to do is open up this page over here. Now, first things first, it will ask if you would like to connect your Facebook account. It's a big blue button that does pop up there. I've obviously already gone through that process, so I'm not going to double up, of course. Now, if you do ever need to add other ones in the future, just need to click on that button there, which will bring up a list of your available Facebook pages. Again, I am not going to go through that because I am connected to quite a number of Facebook pages, and I don't want my client information to be shown on the internet at the moment. Anyways, you get the idea. That part of it's all very straightforward. Just follow the prompts and can't really mess it up. Hopefully, at least, anyway. So one of the things you can do is it can automatically send a response to someone that makes a comment on one of your posts, which is really, really cool. So what that means is that if you have one of those funky little posts on your page or in a group even, in fact, I don't think it would work in a group because I don't think the privacy will work that way, but definitely on a page, you can set it up to say something like, hey guys, I've just put together this new training, type yes below if you're interested in getting a copy of it. And due to the awesome organic nature of Facebook, if one person comments, and that might trigger another person to comment, which then makes that post visible to someone else who then might comment, and eventually you get the snowball effect. But the cool part is if you do have a Facebook chat function on the back end of it, it's going to automatically deliver that item to these people, and they're simultaneously going to be able to sign up for your bot. Now, I must admit here, a little caveat, I actually use manychat for my Facebook chatbots. It's personal preference. I've tried Chatfuel, I've tried manychat. Manychat was just the one that I happened to basically fall in love with first, so that's why I still keep it on my multiple chatbots that I use for my businesses. Having said that, this looks pretty damn cool, I'll be honest. This is covering all the bases in terms of what you need. But one of the things I did want to show you really quickly is obviously post to answer, which, like I say, is pretty cool. Now, you can actually use an existing page, so I'm just going to click on that. It's one of the ones I've already connected there. And hopefully this pops up with my ones. So these ones I'm happy to let you to view because I don't really, I'm going to get rid of the insurance one. That's actually a defunct page anyway. Yep, done. Anti-hustler, that's one of the branding things I've got there. So I can view posts, and like I say, all you need to do is basically select which post you'd like, and once people make a comment, it can automatically start answering for you, which is really, really nifty. So that's one thing. There you go, one of my posts from that particular page. So obviously if anyone comments on that, I can actually select that and have that automatically respond to them, which is really cool. Again, you can have a look at things like page subscribers there. You can set up your own user groups. So you might have, say for example, people that have bought a product from you, I should say, and then you've got another one for people that haven't purchased a product. Growth tools. Now this is really cool. And I'm just going to show you over here really quick. Growth tools is, I think, a fantastic thing. I know with manychat they have a whole bunch of things that you can use, including pop-ups and various things to basically help grow your subscriber base for your chatbot. But here we've got something that I think is really cool. Check this out. Lander, just going to call it whatever. Lander. Now you've got a bar, pop up, and check this one out, landing page. Now my mind started going crazy when I was looking at this, because I was thinking, how can you use a landing page to get more subscribers on your chatbot? And I thought, that sounds pretty cool. One of the ways in particular is that you can do things like start sending solo ads to your landing pages. Of course, it's going to be a little bit different than capturing an email address. And I've actually had experiences where some of the solo ad vendors don't actually allow you to use chatbots, usually because they're sending shitty traffic is perfect as the actual reason behind it. But they definitely can still work, and I've built up a fairly decent sized chatbot list using solo ads alone, and have actually been able to profit off them as well. Now, the reason I do suggest incorporating chatbots into your business, into your online business, if you don't have your own brick and mortar business, is that the open rates compared to email are astronomical. We're talking sometimes as high as 90+% open rates. I've had click-through rates on some of my chat sequences as high as 35%, sometimes even higher. It's really absolutely phenomenal what you can achieve compared to email. And this is the way email was back in the day. So, you know, circa, I don't know, late 90s to early 2000s, when you send an email out, your open rates were astronomical. Whereas now, obviously, you know, we're bombarded. I think the average inbox gets something like 147 emails per day, which then means that the probability of someone opening your email is a lot less. So hence why open rates get down. But chatbots kind of basically refreshes that whole field and allows, it's almost like if you were to get into email marketing back then, it's almost like email marketing how it was, like I say. Anyway, just real quick, I'm going to take you through how you create one of these. So we don't really need to do much. Check this awesome thing out. Awesome thing out. And basically just need to fill in these details here, and that will create your page. I'm just going to pause this, I'm just going to show you a little template of what I'm going to make up. Alrighty, so I just put a couple of random details in here. As you can see, just a ClickFunnels screenshot. And obviously you can change those colors and everything there as well. I've obviously made this horrendous green looking color. Now all you need to do at the end of that, just click on save and preview. It'll pop up as it looks there, nice and easy. Now, then when you go to actually use the page, all you need to do is just highlight that URL and then copy and paste that into the new browser, nice and easy. Here's where it gets really cool. So say for example that you wanted to use this particular page. I wouldn't recommend something this hideous, to be honest, but you know, you get the idea. On the submitted page, you can actually get them just to go to the submission page, which basically just says, thanks very much, here's something else. Click on this, do that, whatever. But what you can also do is just quite easily go to a URL, and then you can just get them to go to whatever website you want there. So say for example you have your own affiliate link, you can put that there, direct them straight to it, and so it'll simultaneously sign them up for the bot and start adding them there as well. What you can also do is then under actions, you can add them to a subscriber group. If you've got one, you can add them to a flow. So you might want to follow up with them once every day or once every couple of days. You can also tag them, so perhaps they've been, and obviously you can create more tags as well eventually, but you can add them as a subscriber or remove tag, a subscriber tag, and obviously create new ones here. There we go, that's my new tag name, nice and easy. Alrighty, just save that there. Cool, okay. And so you can actually add subscriber tag and whatnot, nice and easy. So that's all done. The other thing you can do is just send a broadcast. So once you start building up your subscriber base, you can start sending broadcasts, which pretty much just say, hey, blah, 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 thanks very much for coming along, check it out, let's go here. Or like I say, you can also have just an automated flow. So as soon as they land on your landing page, they opt into your bot, then you can basically start interacting with that particular person and build engagement, get them to have a look at your content, and hopefully start making, I guess, start buying from you or click on your affiliate links, things like that. So yeah, basically just need to go through this process here. Like I say, this is something I've actually only just started playing around with now because I used manychat. So nice and easy, you can actually just edit them with all drag and drop, create your post there, save changes, and yeah, basically keep going through that process there and update these as they go along, nice and easy. Automation, same sort of deal. That implies that once they actually are part of your sequence, where do you want them to go within that sequence? Like if you've got a flow for, say, passive income, you've got another one for getting YouTube subscribers. You can also set up scheduling, so you might want to create a couple and have them sent at a specific time to your audience as well. Now the final thing here, and unfortunately my little doofer is blocking that, but it says chatbot for website, which basically means you can set one up specifically for a website as well. It means that once you apply that to your website, it's going to automatically liaise with people that land on your site, and you can start obviously building your audience via people arriving on your blog, or via people landing on your e-commerce site. And like I say, because of the crazy open rates and crazy click-through rates that you get through bots, it's more likely that they're going to take an action once they are there and have actually engaged with your page and your website in some way. Anyway, I know this is a very rough overview, but hopefully you kind of get an idea as to how this whole thing works. And given that it's just one of the many tools available via Builderall, I think it's basically a no-brainer. Having said that, it's going to take me a little while to migrate a lot of what I've got on manychat over to Builderall, which is going to, like I say, take a little bit of time. But anyway, hopefully you got some value out of this video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and of course any suggestions on what you'd like to see coming up, let me know. Once again, my name is Jamie G. Thank you so much for joining me here in this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye for now.